Today is 11th of March 2020, and what you see here is Mesembryanthemum, which is basically also known as ice plant. And okay, I would like to break the myth that ice plant needs to be big in order to flower, because this one is very tiny, and there's a very less amount of soil, but still you can see that the ice plant has flowered. Look at the flower, the beautiful flower. Let me show you the flower here. Okay, so this is the flower. Amazing, look at this. Okay, so you can see that the ice plant need not be big in order to flower, and this was kept in the shade. This bowl, small, it's a very tiny bowl. It has a few ice plants and they are very tiny, but still you can see that the flower has appeared, and I am so happy with the result here, as you can see. Right, let me try and focus on the flower here. Right, so you can see this is the flower, and so nice. Okay, all right, thank you for watching.